In this video, I will show you how to make a quick, beautiful effects to your photos. We all know that some applications like Instagram, after capturing a photo, you can choose from many filters. Same thing with Photoshop, you can download external filters and install it inside Photoshop. But I don't recommend that because not all filters works fine with all versions, and most of them has a lot of bugs. Luckily, there are some filters inside Photoshop you can use quickly and easily. They are hidden inside Color Lookup Adjustment. Simply click to activate the menu and click again to minimize it. Then use up and down arrows in your keyboard and choose any filter you like. And of course, you can play with opacity and blending modes.